In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about enabling HDR on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, assuming your hardware supports it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search your settings. Best results, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to go down and select versus video playback. And then going underneath related settings here, select HDR. And then assuming your display supported it, which you can tell by clicking the drop down here, you then be able to modify the respective settings on this page. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope those will help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.